la faible lueur d'une frontale qui perce à peine les ténèbres de la forêt de Frozenhead. Dans 1 heure, 41 volontaires vont se lancer à l'assaut d'une des courses les plus difficiles au monde. Il est 5h45 du matin, la Barkley est sur le point de débuter.
1 minute of peace.
Un seul coup de conque pour éveiller tout un campement. La plupart n'ont dormi que d'un œil, car le signal pouvait retentir n'importe quand depuis 23h la veille jusqu'à 11h ce matin-là. Désormais, ils n'ont qu'1 heure pour se préparer au départ, même si rien de ce qu'ils font maintenant ne peut vraiment les protéger contre ce qui les attend.
Confident for today?
And tomorrow? Yeah. And part of Monday, maybe? I'm pretty confident.
In general, if you go to a 100-miler or a 50-miler, you're pretty sure you're going to finish it. You know, you might suffer, you might struggle a little bit, but you're going to finish, you're going to get to the end. And out here, you just don't know.
Il n'y a pas de marquage au sol, il n'y a pas une indication où aller. Il faut se débrouiller soi-même. Tu es vraiment tout seul ici, même dans le bois, dans le noir, dans le brouillard. Tu peux être très seul.
Something like a 1 or 2% finishing rate here. You know, 2% of the people that have started this thing have finished. It's always just trying to be right at the fringe of what's kind of possible. And I think it's really neat. I think Laz likes seeing people set the bar out there that they really have to push themselves mentally, physically, in every way possible.
You have 30 seconds. Wanted it to be a race that was really that would truly challenge people. You can't really succeed if there's not a possibility you'll fail. And you can't have a huge success unless you will probably fail. Go!
Une cigarette allumée pour donner le départ. Dans le monde de l'ultra-distance, la Barkley est définitivement une course à part. 100 miles, près de 170 km et 20 000 mètres de dénivelé positif à parcourir en moins de 60 heures. Depuis 1986, près d'1 millier de coureurs se sont crus capables de relever le défi. 14 seulement sont venus à bout.
Aux États-Unis, on respire. Évadé vendredi, repris dimanche. James Earl, l'assassin du pasteur Martin Luther King, n'aura passé que 54 heures en liberté. En liberté, si l'on peut dire. Il a été retrouvé à 8 km de la prison, caché sous un tas de feuilles, dans la boue, près d'une rivière.
Everyone watched it on TV while they were searching for him with helicopters and dogs. And I, of course, knew this area really well because I'd been backpacking up here. And we talked about it. I said, I thought in 54 hours he only went 8.5 miles. We thought it was pretty funny. I said, in that length of time, I could have gone 100 miles. And all of it came together and the Barkley was born.
Une simple tente au milieu d'un camping du Tennessee. Depuis 27 ans, c'est le QG de la Barkley. Tous les ans, au début du printemps, c'est le même rituel, un défilé de coureurs aguerris en quête dans cette forêt sauvage d'un défi différent.
What I bring? License plate, entry, $1.60. This is what the race requires for virgins, first-time runners here. You have to bring a license plate from your home state.
Most of the big-time challenge races, you have to have a lot of money. You have to have a lot of funds to be able to run them. So this is not really outside of anybody's financial.
40 concurrents maximum pour la plupart des initiés qui reviennent échouer année après année. Le processus d'inscription est un secret que seuls les plus motivés parviennent à percer.
The Frenchmen that have come have been very well prepared runners that have given a good serious effort on the course and failed. But there's not really any dishonor in that because a lot of people have failed.
When you find out that you're in, you know because you get an email from Laz, who puts the race on, and it's a condolences letter. So he's apologizing.
We like to play tricks with people's mind where that it's mentally challenging.
Mais le plus grand défi reste le parcours, dévoilé seulement la veille du départ. Une boucle non balisée d'une 40aine de kilomètres à parcourir 5 fois. Seule la boussole et la carte sont autorisées pour tenter de trouver les 13 livres qui jalonnent le parcours.
Not knowing when it's going to start, not knowing where the course is in advance, not being able to just use preparation, not being able to take a whole bunch of money's worth of equipment out there to do the job for you. It comes down to each person's individual mental strength and physical capability.
If you come down too far south, you won't see nothing. Les descriptions ne sont jamais pour t'expliquer, mais plutôt pour t'emmerder un peu. Ça, c'est normal. Ça, c'est le Barkley.
I think that's what draws a lot of the people here is that it is beyond an ultramarathon. It's really pushing people to limits that they've never been asked to be pushed to.
Ah, this is the only way you'll ever finish the race. You can't eat raw chicken.
55 miles à ses débuts, probablement 130 aujourd'hui, soit près de 200 km. La Barkley est en perpétuelle évolution, conçue pour n'être vaincue que par des coureurs hors normes.
The Barkley is the only thing I know of that is intentionally designed to be right near the limit of what people can do. In order to have that, you basically have to have 99% of your people not be able to do it. And then the 1% does it, and he makes it harder. Because if people can do it, it's not at the limit of human possibility. So that idea is inside of his head.
You need a lot of samples before you figure out this is where it can be, that it's right at that razor's edge. If someone goes out and they make a mistake or they go through a period of weakness, they're gone. You have to do everything right and you can never waver, but it can be done.
Des trompes d'eau dès la première heure de course, c'est la promesse d'une édition dantesque. Après 5 heures et 25 km d'effort, Jared Campbell est le premier au sommet de Frozen Head, le point culminant du parcours à plus de 1000 mètres d'altitude. C'est là que se trouve le 9e livre. Comme à chaque point de passage, il lui faut arracher la page correspondant à son numéro de dossard. Il y a 2 ans, il avait vaincu la Barkley à sa première tentative en suivant Brett Mahoney, le seul double finisher de l'histoire de la course.
Oh, one of my favorite books. No Time for Tears. Classic.
Cette année, il veut rééditer l'exploit en solitaire.
All right, well, I'm outie. 39 out! It's pure in the sense that, like, your success or failure is 100% dependent upon you. When you run, 160 kilometer, like Mont Blanc, for example, it's every 5 to 10 miles, it's a banquet. When you leave the camp and there's nothing but 2 little water drops out on the course, and each loop can take you 12 or 13 hours, and you have to take care of yourself.
8 heures par boucle pour les meilleurs, soit 5 km à l'heure en moyenne. C'est 2 fois moins vite que sur les plus grands ultra-trails. Le parcours emprunte tout ce que la forêt a de pire à proposer. Des montées à pic, dans la boue et les ronces, des descentes droit dans la pente au milieu des rochers. Rien n'est épargné aux coureurs, pas même un passage sous la fameuse prison de James Earl Ray, aujourd'hui désaffectée, les pieds dans 20 cm d'eau glacée.
You have to deal with inner demons because you will always have something about you that would make you stop. It's a guarantee. You're going to run into some issues that you're not going to be comfortable. You're going to hate being out there. You've got to convince yourself it's worth it to go on, because if it becomes not worth it, you're going to quit.
Yeah, this is rough. These are rough conditions. This is probably about the worst.
Beverly Apps n'en est pourtant pas à son coup d'essai. L'an passé, elle a terminé la Fun Run, 3 boucles à finir en moins de 40 heures. Cette année, dans le sillage d'Alan, son mari, elle veut être la première femme à en terminer 2 de plus.
La recherche de tes limites, c'est accepter qu'il se passe des choses que tu n'aimes pas. C'est par exemple sortir quand il pleut. Tu n'as pas envie de sortir et tu sors. Alors tu fais quelque chose que tu n'aimes pas du tout. Et alors faire des choses que tu n'aimes pas du tout, en fait, c'est maîtriser sa volonté.
À chaque fin de boucle, Laz attend les coureurs pour compter leurs 13 pages et s'assurer qu'ils ont bien effectué tout le parcours.
Oh, it hasn't gotten good yet.
That has got to
Expected to get better?
It's supposed to get bad tonight. It's going to turn cold and snow with high winds.
cold.
Well, should be one more. Do you want them?
Yeah. You're good?
I dropped at the tower.
Ah.
Yeah.
Why would you drop at the tower?
Because I was tired and it was cold.
But we're still proud of you.
Could not
man.
do it.
We're still proud of you.
Too cold and wet.
Good
and
running out
slippery.
there. Good
It
running
was
out
real
there.
slippery. Could hardly stay on my feet.
Thanks.
You need to be able to laugh at yourself because you may be walking back down Quitter's Road no matter how well you prepared or how good you are. If something goes wrong, and it doesn't have to be your fault.
La Barclay peut briser les volontés les plus implacables. Rotule broyée sur un rocher à 10 km du camp, Tim Dines a pourtant tenu à terminer sa boucle pour partir la tête haute. Chaque boucle achevée est une victoire, mais aucun ne veut s'arrêter là. Les transitions se font au pas de course. Manger, se réchauffer, trouver un peu de réconfort. Michel est arrivé seul de Hollande. Lisa, une habituée qui ne court pas cette année, a spontanément proposé de l'aider.
Ouais, on va partir, hein? Pour 15 heures. Ah, les gars, it's my number.
101.
C'est parti. Deuxième boucle. Il va neiger ce soir, on a dit. Il va geler. On aura une misère. Mais on verra. C'est le fun.
24 coureurs sur les 41 qui ont pris le départ entament cette deuxième boucle, conscients pour la plupart qu'un calvaire les attend. -5 à -10 degrés sur la plupart des sommets, un vent glacial à près de 80 km/h. Et surtout, un parcours que la nuit rend plus piégeux encore. Elle sera fatale à 17 coureurs de plus.
This is just not right. It's not, you know, and you know, you have some success in other races and you think that you're just gonna come over here and knock this out, you know? And it's not like that. It's not like that. Congratulations. I mean, you can't, this is on the edge. This is on the edge. Man, that was rough. That was rough.
I'm very fond of these people, the ones that get out there and are willing to take on that kind of a challenge. My hat is off to them, even whether they succeed or fail. Yeah.
Yeah. I couldn't believe it. But yeah, they were moving faster than me and Alan wasn't willing to leave me behind, so I said, fine, I'll leave myself behind, go.
They're not out here to get a buckle. They're not out here to get accolades. They're out here to say, yeah, I did it. I did 1 lap or 3 laps or 5 laps, and that's the reward. If I finish, change that, when I finish, I don't care if anybody knows. I care that I know.
Michel, lui, n'a pas craqué. Au milieu de la nuit, dans la neige et le froid, il s'est simplement perdu.
Bonjour tout le monde. Quoi dire? Bah, je devrais continuer en fait, mais Là, t'es sur un moment, tu sais plus où aller. Je descends, je monte, je reste ici. Non, je reste pas ici, il faut bouger parce que sinon... avec le gel, avec le froid, c'est terrible. À un moment, abandonner, c'était la seule option. C'est fini.
Ils ne sont plus que 7 à entamer la 3e boucle, le juge de paix de la Barclay. Un tour en sens inverse où tous les repères changent.
The bottom part's not too bad though. The upper part is nasty. Just the middle part. Once you get up around that bend, not fun.
Le soleil aussi a changé le décor. Cette fois, il faut composer avec la chaleur, et certains y parviennent mieux que d'autres. Jody Eisenhower survole cette 3e boucle et double même un trio qui avait pourtant quitté le camp 1 heure avant lui. En 36 heures et 36 minutes, il est le premier à terminer les 120 km de la Fun Run.
No, I saw them on Ratchaw. Excellent. But I thought I heard them. Hi! Hopefully I have all my pages. You do look good.
He trained like a madman, and it paid off. So I'm just really proud.
12.
Oh, yeah. It's like, oh my goodness.
Oh, you played a trick on yourself there.
Yeah.
So you did a hell of a job out there. You were the last of the 3 to go out.
Yeah, I passed those. I'm sure they're not very far behind.
Il est très loin de la vérité. La nuit tombe bien avant que les 3 hommes n'approchent l'arrivée. La barrière horaire des 40 heures se rapproche dangereusement. S'ils la dépassent, ils seront disqualifiés.
Alright, so jog it down. They could walk from here. Oh, are they that close?
I told you we needed to run.
Did it.
Congratulations.
How many times have you had 3 guys?
So how long have y'all known this was going to be tight?
For about the last 8 hours.
39h55. Pour 5 minutes à peine, les 3 hommes sont finishers de la Fun Run. Dans la Barclay, cela reste un échec. Car pour l'emporter, il faut terminer 5 boucles en moins de 60 heures, un exploit insensé qu'un seul homme cette année peut encore réaliser.
If I was smarter, yes, I would have quit. But it's one of these types of things that you're really only going to finish if you make up your mind beforehand that you're going to kind of push through anything.
Ciao, buddy!
4 heures à peine se sont écoulées quand Jared Campbell achève sa 4e boucle.
12:03:15. Is it cold up top?
No, not bad.
If you keep moving, it's cold down here if you're not moving.
Yeah.
What's up?
Sorry I'm late, man.
You shouldn't apologize for anything.
I was in a bad place.
We're in a good place now.
Oh, well, here's where we get the money. We get our $1.60's worth here. Yeah.
How long do you need for your turnaround?
I'm gonna take a little bit loud. I gotta get my shit back together. All right.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. everything hurts extremely bad, and you just got to look past that if you want to finish. All right, I gotta like get myself back to life.
Just shower. Oh my God.
It's pretty close to that out there.
Completely, like, unbeknownst to me, passed out.
Really?
And I just woke up and I didn't really realize where I was.
So, you know, like my Achilles tendon, like my tendons and stuff were hurting, and it was like all my injuries sort of, instead of being an injury on my body, it became like a person that was with me. We were like walking along, and it was my tendon walking with me. And it was really slow. It's crazy, but yeah, I was seeing things because I haven't really slept, you know.
What time did you say it was?
It's just after 3. You have just under
Maybe.
16 from now.
Maybe 45 minutes.
Okay, I'll start there.
Great, thanks.
Yep, get some rest. No kiss, but a big hug. Thanks. Just pulling for you.
How long do you think it'll take this time?
I don't know, it's really hard to say. I feel like a new man, so.
You look good.
Thanks.
He looks so good.
You got all your stuff you need?
Please, so do I have my map in the back?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
21:45:04.
All right. At the beginning, I just kind of knew that I was going to be okay being by myself. And maybe I'm a little bit of an introverted person, maybe, but I kind of like. It's just tons of time to sit and think about things. I thought a lot about, you know, people back at home. I thought about my wife, my daughter. I have a 3.5-month-old daughter that I spent a lot of time, you know, just these amazingly intense feelings of wanting to get back home.
Watching, I was waiting for you, dreading where the wind sings by the river, laughing.
2 more climbs. I mean, I don't come out here to suffer. You know, I came out here to accomplish something that I set out to do, you know, just explore, you know, what I can do mentally and physically. Drink a cold beer. That sounds pretty good right now. You know, you learn something in the process. You know, there's no big finish line and prizes and stuff, you know. So the people who come here don't come here for fame and glory, and, you know, they come here to sort of find something out about themselves, sort of what you're made of, I guess.
We'll run it too.
Every time someone finishes, I am just elevated by being there. To have seen something that difficult achieved. Nice work.
Thank you.
I think you got 13 pages. See, I told you it was merely a formality.
You did tell me that. Oh, thanks.
I count 13, man. You want to recount?
No, I'll trust you. I'll trust you. Thanks a lot, Lass.
Great job.
Thank you.
En fait, c'était un test s'il était humain ou non. Nous, on abandonne et les autres, ceux qui n'ont pas compris, ils terminent.
57 heures et 53 minutes d'un effort surhumain que certains trouveront futile. Mais au bout du chemin, il y a bien plus que le droit d'arrêter de souffrir. Le sentiment ultime de se sentir plus vivant que jamais.
And you could either really dislike that, or you could sort of embrace it for what it is, you know? I mean, it really sort of captures Laz, too. I mean, this race it's about that guy and his vision and the way he thinks, and he's a unique human being.